Okay, today I'm going to show you the Adox Pronto. So this is how it looks like. This is an outer casing. So let me take out the item. So this is the front part of the camera. The back, up, down. But yeah, let me show you. I'm not sure exactly how to say, because this thing here, I don't know why is it loose, but I'm selling it as a discount. I'm selling this at a discount and selling it as it is. So yeah, any question you can also ask me, So this part controls the ISO. There's a light meter here, so they will meter your shots. And then this is the aperture, and I think the ISO is usually for this meter lah, but how to use it, I'm not very sure. Okay, so this is the bulk mode, which I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna open the bag. So this is a film compartment. I'm gonna wind it. There's a sound, but somehow it doesn't fire. It doesn't activate. I'm not sure why. But yeah, we need to do a service before you can use it. I'm selling this with a good discount, so you can consider this if you want to explore and repairing cameras and stuff like that. But yeah, let me try and change the shutter and see. So I don't see it firing, so yeah, selling it as it is. Thanks everyone.